Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we will be unboxing HW67 Pro Max smartwatch. This has NFC function and it's 1.9 inch and it has all the heart rate monitoring, 128 GB RAM and also wireless charging as usual. So let us start off. So this box comes with the app, which is the Wear Fit app, and you can download it by scanning the code. And this is a rose gold. So how do you detect the color of the smartwatch is you will be given here. And also the aluminum case is and it is also 45 mm. Most of the time you have this smartwatch. And you get a user manual in all the languages, so that you should know the basic things like such as the Wear Fit Pro app, and the materials is silicone, and it supports Android 5 and iOS 10 and above, the latest one for your convenience. You also unlimited watch faces on the download market. You can check it out there. And you have timer, and if you wish to change the language you can go to ABC or settings. If not, zoom in, zoom out option is the most recognized one, so that you have your crown button working, not a dummy one. And you have all your sports trackers. You can do sit-ups, just check your BM, blood pressure and calories burnt, and please check with your range of notification like password. And you can also check out locked, so that's how it's locked.
Thanks a lot for watching this video, and if you like it, share it and subscribe.